Hey there, welcome to another tech tip video. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many of us face with services configured via LaunchD. The issue arises when a service hangs and stops responding on a specific port, even though it hasn't officially crashed. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on this service for your daily tasks. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. One approach we can take is to implement a heartbeat or health check system. This involves periodically polling the HTTP port to monitor the service's status. By doing this, we can detect when the service stops responding and automatically trigger a restart. This method is commonly used in tools like Docker, where a health check is performed to ensure the container is still functioning properly. In order to set up a similar system for your service, you can create a cron job along with a shell script that checks the HTTP port for responsiveness. If the service is found to be unresponsive, the script can initiate a restart to get things back on track. This proactive approach can help prevent downtime and ensure that your service remains reliable, even in the face of hanging issues. To wrap things up, implementing a heartbeat or health check system can be a lifesaver when dealing with unresponsive services. By regularly monitoring the service's status and taking proactive measures, you can effectively address the problem of hanging services without waiting for a full-on crash. Remember, it's all about keeping things running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.